Right, I'm doing some chopped nuts, and I haven't done just walnuts because they're quite a forceful flavour. So I've used a milder nut, a cashew nut. So I've got 2/3 cashew nuts and 1/3 of the walnuts. Can you see there are still little fragments. Some of it's turned to a sort of powder, but I'm going to get some texture out of that. And that's what I'm looking for, texture. Okay. Well, it's fig season, so we definitely will be using these. I've been given a load of them. These are beautiful figs, and I'm just preparing all of them by just cutting off the tops, nothing else. They've all been washed, they've all been prepared, and now I'm just cutting off the tops. Now, our figs are ready, and these are 1/3 walnuts, 2/3 cashews. I'm putting a little pile of these on the bottom, a little pile of this. This is the zest of an orange, and this is the lavender sugar that I have made and is already on the internet. And literally, I don't want very much of it. I just want a little taste. And so I'm using pinches. Okay. And even taking the lid off, the whole room smells wonderful. This is butter. And I'm just going to put a few little pieces of butter on here. Not a lot, just little. This just makes an interesting base. Now we stand these with their cut side up, and we pop these in like this. Now, this is a honey. I've warmed the jar so as it's more fluid, okay? Right, we need a teaspoon really. And before I put that on, I'm just going to put little dots of this zest over the top, and I'm going to drizzle on the honey. And it's a beautiful smelling honey. It's a very summer heady type flower, and I think that's it. So I'm just going to put these with a touch of butter on the top of each one. There. That is now going to go in the oven for about 15 minutes, no more. And when it's done, we'll take it out and we will serve it with a little bit of a creamy sauce, which I'm going to make up now. Okay. Oops, oh dear. And look at that. This has caramelized and is rather tasty. Now I'm just taking some creme fraiche. You can see it's thick creme fraiche, and I'm squeezing in some orange juice and quite a generous amount of zest. And a little bit of the sugar with tiny little bits. There you are. And that's all there is to making this cream sauce. Now you may want it sweeter. Do not use more of this. Just put some ordinary sugar in. And there you are. That goes with these. So you serve this alongside this on a plate.